Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. So this week we're going to talk about how to start working with newborns when you don't have any experience. So let's get started. Firstly, we all have to start somewhere, right? So it's really important that when we're starting, we're very careful. So I want you to start practicing with people that you either know or those people that know someone that might have newborns. And if you don't know anyone, then I want you to do model calls. But you have to be very clear, very honest, and very specific with these clients that are bringing in their newborn for you to photograph based on your level of experience. So you need to tell them, look, I'm getting into newborn photography. I need some models for me to start using my skills and learning. So you don't use the word I'm not experienced, because that will terrify them, but explain to them, this is a new niche to me. I'm starting to, build my portfolio, so I need to practice, and having a newborn will help me do that to build my portfolio. If they're okay with that, obviously you make them sign a model agreement and a contract, and that way you're safe as well, and they fully understand what they're getting themselves into and what you're trying to achieve. I want you also to start simple. You do not understand how many times I've seen, especially on social media, those that have literally just picked up a camera or started newborn photography and are trying to do these complex poses, complex setups, all that stuff that an advanced photographer that's been doing it for years probably will still avoid doing. So it's really important when you're starting out, don't jump 20 steps ahead. Take it slowly, one step at a time. So do really simple wraps, simple posing, simple, images, so you can slowly build your confidence and your skills. Don't jump to, poses like the froggy pose or the potato sack pose or, the taco pose, all those complex poses. Professional photographers that have handled newborns for so many years will only do, because your first priority should be the safety of the baby. So it's really important to start out simple and forget those complex poses and images you're trying to achieve. And the last one, but the most important one, is attend workshops or get some mentoring help or learn from anyone online that you inspire, that you get inspiration from. Like I have the Newborn and Photography Business School, and we do monthly workshops, live image critiques where I give you feedback on your images, and live coaching. So apart from mine, there are a few other photographers that teach online, but it depends what you're after. I would also attend an in-person workshop, or maybe watch some videos online for free on YouTube, where you can start to see what it takes to actually work with newborns. And in-person workshops is really important as well, because if you can attend at least one or two, that will help you learn some skills, and so you can actually go on to do these practicing model calls to improve your skills. Then you might want to go in depth and learn on a month-to-month basis, where you can join something like my monthly program or anything else that you want to learn from. So it's really important to get that practice, not necessarily hands-on, but learn the skills and how to do things. So when you have those models come into your studio, you can take what you've learned and implement it. So hopefully you enjoyed this week's video. If you have any questions, leave them below for me and I will answer them. If you haven't yet, go and download my newborn session guide. It's absolutely free. It's either below or above this video, but if you're watching it on Instagram, go to the link in my profile and click download free newborn session guide, and you can grab it there. So that's it for me this week. I'll catch you guys for another video next week. Until then, take care.